I too faced the frustrating challenge of graphics card issues and spent considerable time finding reliable solutions. Fortunately, I uncovered multiple effective approaches that truly work, and I'm eager to share them with you right now. This video will guide you to resolve AMD driver black screen glitch Adrenalin Edition. The first approach tackles driver corruption head-on. Old or damaged graphics drivers are a common culprit for display problems, and removing them completely allows your system to install a fresh, stable version that communicates perfectly with your hardware. Next, we look at your Adrenalin software settings. Sometimes fancy features like multiplane overlay or FreeSync can accidentally cause conflicts with your screen or games. Turning these off helps simplify how your graphics card talks to your monitor, making it much more stable. Our third method focuses on basic power and system health. Things like a flaky power connection or an outdated Windows can starve your graphics card of power or confuse it. Making sure your computer gets steady power and has up-to-date system files is key to keeping your screen active. Finally, we explore your computer startup brain, the BIOS or UEFI. If these core settings are wrong or old, your computer might not even see your graphics card correctly when it starts up. Resetting or updating these basic settings ensures your graphics card wakes up properly and gets to work without a hitch.